hit a whole block, no whip. Say the art fried so crispy. He got walks on like this. Hold on, call my phone, I'm busy. I'm tryna get rich, bitch trip. If I work or die, it ain't no difference. As long as I ain't cheating, she ain't tripping. That's why I ain't fucking with these bitches. I ain't got no.
Yo, what's good YouTube, man? It's your boy Chop by Vea, and I am back again with another banger video, you feel me? And in today's video, I'm going to be explaining how to start a YouTube channel and how to grow a YouTube channel. And you feel me? I think that I am a good YouTuber that y'all should watch to learn how to start a YouTube channel, because I'm just starting my damn self. And I'm doing pretty good to be just starting. I started about 6 months ago. I'm about to hit 1,000 subscribers. Shout out to y'all. So let's get into it. Alright y'all, so to start this off, I am going to be looking at my notes of the steps that I wrote down of how to start the channel. So the first thing that you will need to start a YouTube channel is the requirements. Now you may ask, what is required to start a YouTube channel? All that you need is a phone, whether that's Android or iPhone. You need a phone and you need the apps YouTube and CapCut. CapCut is the editing app and the phone is the record, the camera, the mic, the everything, you feel me? So to start off a YouTube channel, you don't have to buy a camera, you don't have to buy a computer, you don't have to buy none of that. That comes later on down the line, you feel me? So just get you a phone and start recording, start posting, and go crazy, you feel me? That's the requirements you need to start. It's really simple. I feel like everybody has what it takes to be a YouTuber, as long as you put your mind to it. Alright, so the first step is to decide your type of content. Me, I like lifestyle content. I like to do vlogs, day in the lives, how-tos, and shit like that. Some people like to do gaming videos, reaction videos, sports videos, fishing videos, camping videos. I like day in the lives, outfit videos, all that. So you want to decide your type of content, start subscribing to people that do that type of content, start reaching out, and yeah. The second step is quality. You want to make sure you always have the best quality. So say you are starting off on your phone. Whenever you are editing, you want to make sure that you are editing in 4K, which it has the option for you to change it to 4K. Make sure you're editing in 4K. Make sure you're giving your edit your all. Making sure that the cuts are right, making sure that the sound effects are right, making sure that all that's right. And most importantly is thumbnails, bro. I feel like that's where most of y'all lack, is y'all just give out weak ass thumbnails. A thumbnail is what's gonna really make your video blow or no, you feel me? So shout out my boy Sheldon Graphics. I be giving him free promo all the time, but he gets me right. Sheldon Graphics will make y'all any of the best thumbnails ever. So follow him on Instagram, and I promise you he will get you a video that'll reach 10K views like this for the cheapest prices. I think he's like $10 for one thumbnail. That's slight. If you want to blow up, you'll invest. So that gets to the sixth step, but we'll get to that. The third step is the most important step. The third step is a step that I preach about all the time, and that's consistency. Now, consistency is a big thing to me, whether it comes to doing YouTube or cutting hair or anything that you want to do in life. As long as you stay consistent, you can do it, you feel me? So consistency with YouTube is how I've almost hit 1K subs in just a few months, because I don't put out the best content. I'm not the best YouTuber. I do try to be, but I am consistent. I post at least one video every single week, sometimes 2 videos, sometimes 3 videos. I post at least a short a month. Like, I'm getting videos out for y'all no matter what. I'm trying to make sure my subscribers have something to watch. Now, who wants to watch a YouTuber that's not consistent? Nobody wants to do that. So say you have a YouTuber that's posting every 3 months and a YouTuber that's posting every week. Who you gonna watch? The every week YouTuber. So that's why I preach, stay consistent. If y'all take anything from this video, take that part. Take the consistent part, because I don't care how good your quality is. As long as you stay consistent, you will pick up views. You will have those few concurrent subscribers and viewers that keep coming back to watch your videos because they like what you got going on. So the fourth step is learning the algorithm. What I mean by that, you may ask, is YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, they all have algorithms. They all have certain times to post, what content does good at what times, and all that. Me personally, I'm still figuring out the algorithm. Right now, I like to premiere my videos at around like 2:30 p.m. because I feel like that's when my subscribers are most active. I think you can go to YouTube Studio and see when they're active, but I'm not sure. But I know some people, they like to post around 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. because that's when people are eating dinner. I don't think it's smart to post around like 10 a.m., 8 a.m. That's too early. So best time to post, probably like 6 to 8 p.m. I post at 2:30 p.m. But it's up to y'all. Just figure out y'all's algorithm and see how it goes. You feel me? The 5th step is reaching out. Now, a lot of y'all may be scared to reach out. I've been scared to reach out before because who wants to get egoed? But I've got egoed all the time. I've texted Kai. I've texted Phantom. I've texted Quan. I've texted Raw. I've even got egoed by people with like 10K subs. But hey, guess what? At least I reach out. Because the handful of people that do push back content to me or do push back advice, when I blow up, they're going to be there with me. And when I don't, I said when I don't. And if they don't text me back, then they're not going to be there. You feel me? So don't be scared to reach out because you can get good advice from great people and you can make connections with great people. Just by reaching out, a simple text could go a long way. Now, any of y'all can text me and I'm instantly texting back. I'm giving advice to everybody. So if you want to do that, text me and we lit. The next step, which is the 6th step, I told y'all earlier, very important step, investing. As you can see right now, I have my phone right here. So what's that mean? I'm not recording off the phone no more. After I started getting a little traction on YouTube, I decided to invest. I spent $500 on a camera. I also spent $80 on a mic. So it depends on how bad you want it. If you want it bad enough, you'll invest money into it because you know you're going to get that money back. I'm only a few watch hours away from earning money on YouTube, and I've been doing this for a few months. So the $500 I spent on the camera, the $900 I spent on the MacBook, all that's going to come back to me real soon. So I ain't tripping. So investing in yourself is very good. Like this light was an investment, makes the quality better. This camera was an investment, makes the quality better, makes everything more convenient. I could be on my phone while I'm recording. That's way more convenient. So don't be scared to invest if you want to be good at what you do. The next step and the last step is grind, bro. I can't stress this enough. Everyone wants to be a YouTuber nowadays. Who's gonna win? The people that sit on their ass and don't post videos, or the people that grind and do what they want to do? I have a full-time job. I cut hair every single day, and I post videos once a week. I'm grinding. I am bound to blow up, and if I don't, then I don't. But I'm not gonna stop grinding until I do. You feel me? So I hope that this video helped y'all out. With that being said, Chop by Vay out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we lit.
Hit a whole block, no wig. Made it all fried so crispy. He got walks on like this. Hold on, call my phone, I'm busy. I'm tryna get rich, bitch trip. If I work or die, it ain't no difference. As long as I ain't cheating, she ain't tripping. That's why I ain't fucking with these bitches. I ain't got no